Okay, just another severe thunderstorm. It's probably for us, because the last one was towards the northwest.
The National Weather
Northeast,
Service
excuse
in
me.
Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County, southwestern Hamilton County, east central Montgomery County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Lebanon, or 13 miles east of Crawfordsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Zionsville, Whitestown, Sheridan, Advance, New Ross, and Uland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 129 and 145. Interstate 74 between mile markers 44 and 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in